Good morning students. I hope you all are well. So today we will do exercise C, that is answer the following questions in short of chapter 5, that is housing all around. So student, the questions are given at page number 42 in your book, and if you don't have the book, I have sent you the PDF of the question in which you can see the questions easily. So question 1 is given. What are the differences between the houses in earlier times and houses now? So student, in this question you have to write the difference between the houses which are found in the early times and the houses which are found nowadays. So as we have discussed in the chapter that houses which are found in the early times are single or the double storied, the rooms are very large or the spacious, availability of sunlight is there, fresh air is there, gardens are there, and the ceiling is also very high. But nowadays as the population is increasing but the land is as much only, so large number of houses are needed. So multi-storied houses are built nowadays and they are not so spacious as found in earlier times. So let's see the answer of this question 1. Earlier houses were single or double storied, single double storied थे, big spacious rooms with high ceiling, बड़े रूम थे और with high ceilings, while the houses these days are not so spacious and built in multi storied, वो spacious भी नहीं है और multi storied यानी बहुत सारी उसमें floors बनाए जाते हैं. Next question 2 is वॉट इज़ अ बंगलो. बंगलो क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? जनरली वी हैव डिस्कस, जो बंगलो है एक वो सिंगल या फिर डबल स्टोरी हो सकता है और इसमें जो रूम्स होते हैं वो बड़े होते हैं, बड़े स्पेशियस रूम्स होते हैं, इसमें गार्डन्स होते हैं, गैराजेस ऑल्सो देयर और इंडिपेंडेंट हाउसेस होते हैं. लेट्स सी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. बंगलोज आर इंडिपेंडेंट सिंगल स्टोरेड spacious houses with balconies is there, gardens and garages all are present in a bungalow. So now next question 3 is what do you see, why do you see more apartments and less bungalows around? आपको आसपास अपने ज़्यादा अपार्टमेंट्स क्यों दिखाई देते हैं और बंगलो जो है उनकी जो नंबर है वो कम क्यों दिखाई देता है? सो एज वी हैव डिस्कस, एज द पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग, सो इट on the place of the land is fixed, that much land is available only to make the houses, to make the buildings, to make the factories, to make the school. So इसीलिए क्या हुआ, उस पॉपुलेशन जो है उसकी जो नीड है उसको पूरा करने के लिए जो अपार्टमेंट्स बनाए जाते हैं, मल्टी स्टोरीड बनाए जाते हैं ताकि उनकी नीड पूरी हो जाए. और क्योंकि बंगलो जो है उनके लिए ज़्यादा स्पेस चाहिए होता है एंड दे आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो, वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव भी पड़ते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. We see more apartments and less bungalows around because over the years the population of our country has increased. population जो है वो बहुत increase हो गई है, so less land is available, और जो land है वो उतना ही है, so less land is available and that too is expensive, और वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है, costly है. So next question 4 is name few important places that must be there around our houses. So student, in this question you have to write the places that are needed for you, daily that are needed for you, और इमरजेंसी केस में भी that are needed for you, जो आपके हाउसेस के अराउंड प्रेजेंट होनी चाहिए, सो डैट इट विल नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम टू रीच दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. तो अगर हम बात करें, स्कूल है, हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, पार्क हैं, मार्केट्स है, यहाँ पर हमें जाने की मोस्टली ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो ये अगर सारी जगह जो हमारे घर के आसपास होंगे, सो इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. सो लेट्स सी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल, पार्क्स एंड मार्केट मस्ट बी देयर अराउंड आवर हाउस. हमारे हाउस के पास में ये सारी चीज़ें ज़रूर होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 5 इज़ व्हाट न्यू बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड दीज डेज. So in this question you have to write what are the building material which are used by the people to construct their houses nowadays. So as we have discussed, first of all the houses are made pakka nowadays. Second, a large number of flooring is available, wallpapers are available, sanitary fittings are available. So these all are available in the market to make the houses in a proper manner or in a decorative manner. So let's see the answer of this question. A variety of flooring, wallpapers, modular kitchen, sanitary fittings, paints and texture are being used these days by the peoples and are available in the market. So students, these are the answers of your exercise C. Do these question answers in your notebook in a good and neat and clean handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.